the Sandigan Bayan, 3rd Division, composed of Associate Justice myself, Associate Justice Ronald B. Moreno, and Associate Justice Fritz Brian Anthony M. De Los Santos, issued today, July 6, 2026, warrants of arrest and hold departure order in criminal case E-SB-26-CRM-0018 for plunder against Senator Rodante Dizon Marcoleta, Michael Tan Defensor, Joseph Varias Espiritu, and Aristotel Baluyot Biray. The issuance of the warrant of arrest signifies only that after evaluating the records, the court found probable cause to believe that the accused committed the offense charged. Probable cause for the issuance of a warrant of arrest exists when the facts and circumstances would lead a reasonably discreet and prudent person to believe that an offense has been committed by the person sought to be arrested.